Welcome back to another video, and this is just going to be the February 2023 income report where I show you how much I made, the expenses and the ins and outs of a KDP business so you can start your own. Now, I recently did a poll just to find out if you guys were still interested in these videos, and the overwhelming majority wanted me to keep on doing monthly income reports. So as long as you guys still want to do it, then I'm going to keep doing them. So check out how this month went. Just before we get into the video, I'd like to let you guys know about an all-access free trial that Creative Fabrica are currently running. It's a 1-month free trial with 10 download credits, and you get access to millions of graphics, fonts, classes, and so much more. Once the free trial ends, then you will be put on a subscription for $9 a month, or you can upgrade to the yearly plan, which works out to $4.99 a month, which is much more affordable, and you'll have personal, commercial and full print-on-demand use of all the files included. You are free to cancel at any time, but Creative Fabrica has been an essential tool to my KDP business, and if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description. So for the month of February 2023, my total income for the month was $1,708.20. Now, I'm pleased with this, and it's not much of a drop off from the previous month. I think it's only $80 less, which means that my income is becoming pretty steady and predictable, which is one of the things I really like about this business. I only uploaded maybe, I think, 2 to 3 books this month, so it's a business that has become really passive for me, and it's allowing me at the moment to focus on other things such as YouTube, which I'm really trying to build at the moment. And if we just take a look at the highest day of the month, you can actually see it was the 2nd, where I earned over $100, actually $104.83 to be precise, and the lowest day of the month was actually the 17th, where I only earned $14.94. And if we take a look at the total orders for the month as well, we can see that I had a total of 879 total paperback orders, and from this includes ad orders of 365. Now, if I compare it to where I was last year, February 2022, so you can see that I only sold a total of 550 paperback copies, so there's been an increase of 59%. Ad orders has been an increase of 310%, and you can see in terms of the income there's been an increase as well of 66%. So that's one of the things you just need to focus on, that year-on-year growth. So it shows that I'm going in the right direction. Now, in terms of the sales and which marketplaces usually do the best for me, it is the UK. So we can take a look here, and you can actually see the spend on ads as well was roughly $466 within the UK, but that's where I get most of my sales from. Then we've got Amazon.com, which is usually second for me, and we can see that I've actually spent a total of ads there of $63.52. And finally, Canada, really. So those are the 3 main marketplaces for the month of February. And if we take a look at the 5 best-selling books of the month, so the first book is an activity book, and you can see that it's grossed over $582, and the second book is a log book, and this has grossed $392.71. The third book is a quiz book that's grossed me $171.28. Then we've got the fourth book, which is another activity book. It's related to the first, so usually when somebody buys the first, they'll buy this book as well, and that's grossed me $85.78. And the final book is actually a coloring book, and that's grossed me $78.95. And also, if we take a look at the AI coloring book that I've been showing you guys in my videos, just to show you a glimpse of how it's getting on. So I did release it around early February, and you can see that so far it's made a total of $24.06, and it's had sales within the United Kingdom, US and Canada. So it's a good start so far, and one of the reasons I wanted to show this book and kind of take you guys through the process is there's been a lot of talk about if AI coloring books are allowed on Amazon, and this is proof, so you can see it for yourselves. The second thing is a lot of people do say Amazon KDP is saturated, so you can see here a clear example of I've put this book up and it's already making sales. And I also think it's a great thing for beginners, a good standard of a book that they should be publishing to Amazon KDP. I know when I started, it would have been helpful for more people to show the books that they're creating and their processes. I know that would have helped me a lot. So that's part of the reasons why I'm showing you guys this book. Now, if we just take a look at the ad spend for the month, then we can see that the ACOSs are actually much better than the previous month. I did take the time to kind of go through and just change a few things with my ads during the month, unlike the previous one. So if we take a look at the US, I've actually got a quite low ACOS of 22.16% with a total orders of 41, and then the ACOS in the UK is fantastic, so 17.77% with a total orders of 335, and Canada, so I spent $68 but I didn't make any sales, so I need to do a little bit more work there. And finally, taking a look at the total amount for February 2023, so as I said before, my income was $1,708.19 and my expenses came to $699.87, and this just includes my ads. So I am based in the UK, subject to 20% VAT, so I've added that on, and my subscriptions include Creative Fabrica, KDP, Champ, Canva, Midjourney, and also ChatGPT Plus, which are essential tools to my business. And if we minus all of that, then the total for the month of February 2023 is $1,008.32. So another great month, which I'm really happy with. So thanks for watching another video. Let me know how the month of February went for you, and if you're interested in any other KDP videos or making money online, then check out videos on my channel.